Memory in programming explained. Beginner level. Introduction. Every program that runs on a computer needs memory. Memory is where a computer temporarily stores data and instructions while a program is running. When a program starts, the operating system allocates memory so the program can store things like variables, objects, program instructions, temporary calculations. Without memory, a program would not be able to store or process information. Understanding memory helps beginners learn how computers actually run programs behind the scenes. What is memory in programming? Memory in programming refers to the space inside a computer where data is stored while a program runs. In simple words, memory equals a temporary storage area used by programs while they are running. When a program finishes, most of the memory used by that program is released. Simple example. Example Python code. X equals 10. Y equals 20. Z equals X plus Y. Print. Z. What happens in memory? The value 10 is stored in memory for variable X. The value 20 is stored in memory for variable Y. The result 30 is stored in variable Z. Memory stores these values while the program runs. Real-life analogy. Memory is like a desk workspace. Imagine you are solving a math problem on a desk. On the desk you place paper, calculator, notes, numbers. The desk holds everything you need while you work. Once you finish, you clear the desk. Computer memory works in a similar way. Types of memory in programming. Programs mainly use two types of memory: stack memory, heap memory. These areas store data differently. Stack memory. Stack memory is used to store function calls, local variables, temporary data. Example: def add a equals 5, b equals 3, print a plus b. Add. The variables a and b exist only while the function runs. After the function finishes, the memory is automatically cleared. Stack memory is fast, automatically managed. Heap memory. Heap memory stores larger or dynamic data such as objects, lists, arrays, dynamically created structures. Example: numbers equals 10, 20, 30, 40. The list is stored in heap memory. Heap memory allows programs to store data that can grow or change during execution. Visual example of memory. Imagine memory as shelves. Memory. X means 10. Y means 20. Z means 30. Numbers means 10, 20, 30. Dash 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 dash. Each variable points to a location in memory where its value is stored. Memory and variables. Variables do not store values directly. Instead, they point to locations in memory where values are stored. Example: age equals 25. Memory view. Variable means memory address means value. Age means 1001 means 25. The computer stores the value at a memory address. Example: changing memory value. Score equals 10. Score equals 20. The value stored in memory changes from 10 to 20. The variable name remains the same. Why memory is important? Memory allows programs to store data, perform calculations, manage variables, track program state. Without memory, programs would not be able to process information. Memory and program execution. When a program runs, the operating system allocates memory. Variables and objects are stored in memory. The program uses memory to perform operations. When the program ends, the memory is released. This process happens automatically for most programs. Example: temporary memory use. Example: a equals 5, b equals 10, c equals a plus b. Memory stores A means 5, B means 10, C means 15. The values exist only while the program runs. Memory management. Different programming languages manage memory differently. Some languages manage memory automatically. Examples: Python, Java, JavaScript. These languages use garbage collection to free unused memory. Other languages require manual memory management. Examples: C, C++. In these languages, programmers must allocate and release memory manually. Common memory problems. Sometimes programs misuse memory. Examples include memory leaks, stack overflow, excessive memory usage. These problems occur when memory is not handled properly. Concepts learned from memory. Understanding memory helps beginners learn. Checkmark how variables store data. Checkmark how programs execute. Checkmark how objects are stored. Checkmark how memory management works. Memory concepts are essential for understanding how software runs. Where memory is used. Memory is used in all types of software systems. Operating systems, web applications, mobile apps, games, artificial intelligence systems, database systems. Every program relies on memory to store and process data. Simple definition. Memory in programming. The temporary storage area where programs store data and instructions while running. Final summary. Memory is a crucial part of how programs run. It stores variables, objects, and temporary data while a program executes. Programs use memory to store information, perform calculations, manage program state. Understanding memory helps programmers write more efficient and reliable programs.